nag-recruit ka, 20 years ka na, nagre-recruit ka pa na parang crazy. Hindi na. Dapat matatapos yung recruiting days mo. Matatapos yun. Pag hindi natapos yun in 3 years, ibig sabihin, that only shows na hindi ka mahusay kausap. Nawawala lahat ng kausap mo eh. Ano, kinakagat mo ba? Inaawal mo pag hindi nagdala? Pinapalo mo pa ng upuan pag hindi nagpakita? Siguro, yung attitude mo na may problema. Correct? 3 years ka na, umpisa ka pa ulit. Alam mo yun, parang nakakatakot na yun. Wala na nagkakagusto sa'yo. May problema ka na siguro sa ugali. Tama ba? Because people will stay, right? And if they quit, that's not of your making. Pero in 3 years, lahat naubos. You know, if you sponsor 3, one will go away, it's okay, right? You have this still 2 that you can keep. But if there are 3 came in, and then 4 left, hindi ko na-convince sila sa overhead. Well, yun na hindi mo na maintindihan. Tama? Kaya na-perfect namin ang network marketing kasi hindi recruitment sikreto eh. Paano sila makita? Paano mo sila masamahan? Paano kayo maging family? Paano kayo maging magandang relationship? Look at your downlines as if they are part of your family. That's it. That's not a secret. Okay ba yan? You got one na? Kaya mapapansin nyo yung mga top earner na malalaki ang check dito sa in. Pati ugali nila and values ang gagaling. Because if I'm I'm going to hire a person with strategy or values, I go for a person with values. Because strategy, these are the only skills. Ano kay turo. Pero values, medyo matagal yan eh. Tama? Depende ba sa pagpapalaki ng magulang niya. Tama? Okay, you got one na. Nakuha niya? Yes. Gusto niyo coffee? Lumatakit na eh. Okay lang ba kayo? Coffee talk po. Okay, next. I have a story here. So I share sa inyo. There's a senior citizen, age 50. Oh, sorry, 70. And he was staring at the wall in the park. So the police came over and said, "You have a problem, senior?"